Hello everyone, welcome to my line dance teaching channel. My name is Linda Sims and this is the channel where I break down each line dance step by step. I'm located in New Orleans, Louisiana, and if you're interested in cardio line dancing classes, please call 504-251-0674. As a friendly reminder, if you want the demo with the music, watch till the end and click right here and we can dance together. I want to give a shout out to everyone. I'm talking to you, the one that clicked on this video, the one that left me a thumbs up, the one that left me a comment. Thank you guys. I appreciate you. Thank you so much. I have an exciting announcement for you tomorrow, so stay tuned. So the name of this line dance is, well, come to Atlanta. It is a one wall dance. There's only two parts. And let's get it. So we're going to start here. And this part one is going to take us all around the room. We're going to do this step at each wall. Okay? So we start with a heel step. Heel, step, heel, step. We're going to kind of do it like diagonal with a little lead. Heel step on the right, heel step on the left. Then we're going to do a cha-cha up. Right, step left, pivot half. Then we're going to step on that left foot. Left, step right, pivot quarter. Again. So let's do it at this wall. We're going to come back to this wall. We need to stay at this wall. But let's do it at this wall just so you can see. Heel step. We're going to do like a little gangster lean. Heel, step, cha-cha, step left, pivot half. Turning towards the wall that's behind you. And then we step on that left. Left, step right, pivot quarter. Okay? So it's the wall behind you and it's that next wall to your left. Okay? So let's put that together from this wall here. 5, 6, 7 with the lean. Heel, step, shuffle right, step left, pivot half, shuffle left, step right, pivot quarter. So we went to the wall behind us and then the wall to our left. Okay? We're going to kick forward, right, left, step right, pivot quarter. Going to the wall to the left. So we actually went back to the wall we came from. Okay? So what did we do from here? Kick right, pivot quarter. Back to your wall to the left. Okay? So we made a half turn, we made a quarter turn, and we made a quarter turn. Half turn to the right, quarter to the left, and quarter to the left. With the right shoulder going back, the left shoulder going back, and then the left shoulder going back. Half, quarter, quarter. Okay? Let's put it together. Heel step. 5, 6, 7, and heel, step, shuffle. Right, step left, pivot half. Left, step right, pivot quarter. Hit right, left, step right, pivot quarter. From here, we're going to end up with a sail right, sail left. Right, left. Now we need to get to our next wall. Because I told you we're going to do this step at each wall. Okay? So this is how we're going to get there. We're going to shuffle. Right, left. So when we did the heel step, we kind of leaned to the right. Now we're going to lean to the left. Give that lean and then shuffle. Right, left. Just like we're going around the curve. We're going to take our hands and make that turn. Okay? And you go right, left. Heel, step. And start that process over again. That is part one. So let's put the steps together, then I'll put it with the count. Okay? I always want to learn, if you don't know how to count, just count with me and you'll get it. Okay, I feel like the key to learning line dances is learning the steps and definitely learning the count. The count is going to help you keep the tempo and the rhythm of the dance. Also, it determines if you're on your right or your left foot with the count. Okay, here we go. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7. Heel step, heel step, heel step, shuffle. Pivot half, shuffle left, pivot quarter to your left, kick right left, pivot quarter, sail right, sail left, give it that lean. And 5, 6, 7, 8. So you just shuffle, 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 shuffle. You go 1, 2, 3, 4. Almost like you're going around the corner, the curve, and you call 5, 6, 7, 8. And heel. So when I'm stepping with my heel, I'm leaning and I'm kind of going diagonal. So I'm not doing this. I'm going diagonal. 1, 2, 3. See how my body is diagonal? Okay? So that is the step. We're going to do the same thing at all 4 walls. Okay? So let's put it with the count. All right? So let's go at this wall here. So you kind of get a visual before we go into the blind spot. So meet me at this wall, doing the same thing at all walls, okay? Here we go. 5, 6, 7 with the heel. 1, 2, 3, 4. Shuffle 5 and 6, have 7, 8, 1 and 2, pivot 3, 4, kick 5 and 6, pivot sailor. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, turn 5, 6, 7, and heel step. Shuffle, pivot half, shuffle left, pivot quarter, kick, pivot quarter, sailor, sailor, and turn with the lean. 5, 6, 7, 8, heel 1, 2, 3, 4, shuffle 5 and 6, pivot 7, 8, shuffle 1 and 2, pivot 3, 4, kick 5 and 6, pivot 7, 8, sailor 1 and 2, 3 and 4, turn 5, 6, 7, 8, heel step. Shuffle, pivot half, shuffle left, pivot quarter, kick right left, pivot, give me a sailor right, sailor left, shuffle to the next wall, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, remember we started at this wall, and we're back at this wall. Now, part 2, I told you it's 2 parts. So part 2, what we're going to do, we're going to just roll back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, tap 8. So guess what? When I roll back with my shoulder coming back, stepping right, rolling back on the right, right, left, tap back, left, tap back, right, tap back, left, tap. Look at there. By me rolling back, it already set me up. When I tap, I'm ready to go into that lean with the heel step. Heel step, and starting over again. So that's the dance right there. Now, that's what we're going to do on the first rotation. When we come back on the second rotation, so when we start that second rotation with the heel step, you went all the way around. So when you doing that part, the artist is telling you what about the song, okay? The verse. So your second rotation, when you would hit all 4 walls, you coming back to the front. When you get back here and it's time to roll back, guess what? He's still running his mouth with the verse. So this is what you're going to do. Instead of rolling back, you're going to do the heel step again at this wall, at the second rotation. Yes, you're supposed to be rolling back, but he running his mouth. So you didn't went and started this heel step, part 1, at all 4 locations, walls, all 4 walls. Then when you come back here, that second rotation, you're supposed to roll back. No, he's still running his mouth, okay, with the verse. So what you're going to do the heel step. Because that whole entire song, this part one is the verse, and this is when you do this step. So the second rotation, when you get back here, he's still running his mouth. Guess what? Do that heel step again. And then you shuffle, pivot half, shuffle left, pivot quarter. Kick it out, pivot. Guess what? You're not going to do the sailor step because he's finally shuts his mouth, and then I'm ready. You ready to roll back. 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 Tap. He running his mouth again, then we go, We start the dance over again. You got it? Okay, so let me explain that to you again. So the song gonna end on the third rotation. You're not gonna make it back to the front to do the roll back. So the first dance starts with the heel step, heel step. You're gonna do that at all 4 walls. When you come back here to this wall, you roll back. Right, left, right, tap, left, right, left, tap, right, left, right, tap, left, right, left, tap. We start the dance again. Yes, yes, dance again. Yes, yes, sailor, sailor. We go to each wall, We going around, We get here, back to this wall here. He's still running his mouth. We go with the heel, We shuffle, pivot half, pivot quarter, kick it out, and pivot. No sailor step. Time to roll back. Finally shuts his mouth, and we roll back. And we roll back. See how I'm rolling back? And we roll back. And then he starts the verse again. And we start over. Okay? The dance is going to end at probably the back wall or something. You never have to come back and roll back again. That is the dance. Okay? It's called Come to Atlanta. And what I would like you to do is leave me a comment. I cannot tell you how those comments motivates me and encourages me. So I love your comments. Please share this video. If you have not subscribed, if you like the content, please subscribe. My name is Linda Sims. I am the LUDAC teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.